Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MDEVAAN. Thank you so much for checking up on me, checking up on what I'm up to. I love it and I appreciate it. So you guys know how I make my pepper soup already. I have I think at least two videos of pepper soup on this channel. So, but this is the first time I'm using fresh fish. So I boiled my Irish potatoes way before the ingredients start getting ready. What I just poured into the pot now is a mix of pepper. You guys know I make my pepper soup spice. A mix of pepper, red pepper, black pepper, onions, ginger, what if people call ye, that's black pepper. And then I'm adding a little bit of salt, a little bit of dry pepper because all the peppers are not enough, a little bit of curry, and two types of seasoning. Yeah, that's what's going down here. So, what are you guys up to? Have you tried any of my recipes lately? And how are they helping? Keep your kitchen interesting. So I'm using two different types of fish here, but they are both going to cook at the same time. So all you have to do is just pop this into the pot. Like how easy, how easy and uncomplicated is that? I love fresh fish pepper soup, but for some reason it's not some people's favorite. I don't know why. But fresh fish pepper soup just works for me. Every part except the head, anyways. I don't see the point of eating the head of fish. I don't it's just not for me. Now when you're adding water into your pot, you need to remember that fish brings out its own water as well. So you don't want to overdo it. And if you want a lot well, if you want a lot of water content, then you can add a lot of water. But if not, you have to be very careful with the water you're adding. And then you don't over stir fish. As you can see, I'm not using a spoon, like a metal spoon or anything. I'm using a wooden, and it has no edges, like no sharp edges basically, because you don't want to scar this scar journey. You don't want to pierce the body of your fish parts, but you also want to mix it well enough for it to absorb all the juices and the goodies. Oh my god, you guys, this pepper soup was everything. I can't even lie. I know I made it, but man, it was really nice. Okay, so I'm very hot. So if you know that you don't want it too hot, please reduce the amount of pepper used. Okay, so we have our Irish potatoes and our fish boiling together in a pepper sauce. Very yummy, and it is done. That's why I'm adding the greens now. As you guys know from some of my kitchen hack videos, I usually freeze some greens in the fridge. This is from the freezer. I just removed it, rinsed it out a bit, and then popped it in. So I'm adding a few onions just for ceremony because I already had onions in that pepper paste mix. Okay, so and we are done, guys. This pepper soup was really nice. Like I can't even, I can't lie. Okay, so you can pop in some cucumbers into your pot as it cools down, because at this point I was already going to put it up because it was totally done. But if you want the meat to totally disintegrate, you need to leave it on for a little bit more so that the fish gets super soft. But at this point it was very soft, but not point where it can't come out as a whole piece. Okay, so I'm just serving this out, and then I'm going to pop a few cucumbers on it because it has a lot of pepper and not everybody might be able to handle that. And as you can see, I'm using a plastic spoon at this point because our fish is super fragile. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I totally enjoyed making it. It satisfied a craving that I've had for a long time. I've been craving fish pepper soup for a while. So yes, enjoy. Please try it. Please hit the subscribe button and let me know how you loved it. I love you. Mwah.